Hello everyone, welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. We just got here near the Khaosan road to celebrate Thai New Year SONGKRAN. If you're planning to attend the SONGKRAN, as known as world's biggest water festival, watch this video until the end to see what to expect and why you should be here during the SONGKRAN. SONGKRAN festival happens on the 13th, 14th and the 15th of April every year, and during this time the whole country shuts down. Everyone gets together on the streets and celebrate Thai New Year by throwing water on each other.
Ah, you got me so bad. Ah, that's cold. Oh my god, that one was so cold. Oh, ice water.
It is also considered a national holiday, so don't expect the banks to be open. There are several security checkpoints in the busy areas, which makes the whole experience safer and feels more secure. If you're gonna be in Bangkok during the SONGKRAN, make sure to wear swimsuits and sandals or water shoes, because regardless of your attire, you will get wet. The meaning behind the throwing water on each other is wishing well-being and washing off the bad luck from the person. So don't get mad if a random person gets you soaked from head to toe. More the water, better the luck. I gotta admit that SONGKRAN festival is one of the most interesting and fun experiences of my life. It is truly a bucket list experience. Despite being the hottest time of the year in Thailand, I highly recommend a visit Thailand during the SONGKRAN time. Besides being at the Khaosan Road, you can join the celebrations at the RCA area or attend one of the largest festival grounds in the city, where they have the world's famous DJs and singers perform. You can watch my experiences at RCA and S2O Music Festival on my channel under the Thailand playlist. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more travel videos. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.